Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for a fast, reliable, and developer friendly alternative to WP Engine, this video is for you. Today I will walk you through Rapid Cloud, a modern cloud platform that can host your WordPress sites faster, cheaper, and with more control. WP Engine is great, but it can be pricey and restrictive, especially if you are managing multiple sites or want root level access. Rapid Cloud offers affordable pricing, dedicated cloud servers, developer tools built in, flexible scaling, and WordPress one-click install. It's perfect for freelancers, developers, and growing agencies. Let's head over to rapid.cloud and sign up for a free account. Click Start Free. Now enter your first name and last name. Enter your email address. For this tutorial, I will use a temporary email. Now you can add your phone number but optional. Enter your password. Then check the box and sign up with email. You can sign up with GitHub, Google, Facebook, Twitter. Now follow the payment method. Enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, name on card. Once inside there, once inside, here's your dashboard, like that. Rapid Cloud dashboard. Create server, launch new environments, projects, and apps, manage sites, billing and resources that track uses, support and docs, access help anytime. Click Create New Server from your dashboard to get started with your WordPress site. Now let's launch a WordPress site step by step. Click Create Project, name it, then choose app type like WordPress. Then select your server location. Choose closest to your audience. Pick server size. Small is fine for most beginners. Click Deploy. Within minutes, your WordPress site is live with full access to cPanel or SFTP if needed. Click Open Site to preview or admin URL to log in. Here's what makes Rapid Cloud powerful. Built-in caching and CDN, free SSL and firewall, real-time monitoring, access to SSAs, Git and custom domains, automatic daily backups. It's designed for speed and uptime without the WP Engine price tag. Need to scale up? Just go to your server settings and upgrade RAM or CPU with one click. You can also clone sites, create staging environments, or set up subdomains perfect for developers or teams. Rapid even supports Node.js, Laravel, and static sites. So it's not just for WordPress. Let's take it one step further, connecting a custom domain to your Cloud WordPress site. Go to your project settings, and click Add Custom Domain. Enter your domain name, for example, yourbrand.com. Then head over to your domain registrar like Namecheap or GoDaddy and update your DNS records with the IP address Rapyd gives you. Once that's set, return to a Rapyd Cloud and enable free SSL with one click. Your site is now secure and fully branded. If you ever run into issues, Rapyd Cloud offers great documentation and live chat support right from your dashboard. There's also a helpful community and learning center if you are new to managing cloud infrastructure. Whether you are migrating from WP Engine or starting fresh, you won't feel lost here. Now your WordPress site is fully hosted, secured, and optimized on Rapid Cloud, a top-tier WP Engine alternative that puts you in control. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more WordPress tutorial, and let me know in the comments if you want a comparison video between Rapid and other hosts like Insta or CloudWays. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.